So now we are going to discuss about we are going to solve the exercise number 6.1. Exercise 6.1, where you can understand so what type of questions will be asked and how to do it. Okay now, because the first one, find the common factors of the given terms. Find the common factors. Find the common factors of the given terms. Of the given terms. Given terms. As I already told, what do we mean by term? For example, if 7x square y is there, so now this is a term. This is a term. Now, if you wanted to find the factors of this, so 7 is a factor, x is a factor, x is a factor, and y is a factor. So these are all the factors. These are all the factors. So the question is now, find the common factor of the given term. So the first one now, 12x and 36. 12 and 36. So now, by looking at this number, 12 ones are, 12 threes are, or first of all, what you do, find the factors of 12x. 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12, and x. So these are the factors of 12x. In the same way, 36. Where are the factors of 36? 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 12, 12 threes are 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18, 18 twos are 36. So now these are the factors of 12x and 36, and you have to find the common factor. Now you can see 3. You have to write here common factors. So now 3 is the common factor. Anything? Okay, now 2 is there. 2 is the common factor. You can write here like this. Again there is a 2 here. Again there is a 2 here. So again there is 2. So these are, so x is here but x is not here. 3 is there, another 3 is not there here. So these are the, so 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So 12 is the common factor. 12 is the common factor. In the same way, we will do the second one now. 2y and 22xy. Again, same thing. So first of all, you have to find the factors of 2y. 2 into y. And 22y, 22xy. So 2 ones are, 2 11s are 22x into y. Now again, what you have to find? Common factors. Now 2 is common here, write 2 here. Y is common here, y is common. So 2y are the common factors. 2y are the common factors. Or you can even write common factors are 3, 2, 2. Or here you can write 2 and y. 2 and y. 2 and y. Y are the common factors of the given thing. Now let us do the, I will leave it to you third one. Now I will do the fourth one now. 2x, 3x square and 4. So now first of all, what you have to find? The factors of 2x. 2 into x. 3x square. 3 into x. And what are the factors of 4? 2 and 2. Now, just check it. Now you have to write common factors. Now, 2 is here, 2 is not here, 2 is here. Forget it. Means whatever the common thing will be there, that should be in the all given all given terms. It should be in the all terms. If the number is not present in any term, then it is not going to be a common factor. So 2 is here, 2 is not here, 2 is here. So find it. X is here, but X is not here. Means no number is common in all the things. So if nothing is common, then there will be only one will be common. Then there will be one will be the only common factor. Then the next in fifth one we'll do it now. 6th ABC, 24AB square and 12A square B. 12A square B. So first of all, you have to find the common factor of 6ABC. 6 means 3 2s are 6, A into B into C. Next, 24AB square. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. A into B into B. This B square means 2 times 1 into 2, 2 times. Now next one is 12A square B. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. A square means A into A and B is B. Now you have to find the common factors. Now you can see 3 is common here, so write 3. Now 2 is common here, write 2. Okay, A is common here, write A. B is common here, write B. Now C is common here, it is not there here. A is common here, there is no A. So only these are the common factors of 6ABC, 24AB square and 12A square B. 3, 2, A and B. Or you can even write, I told you, you can multiply all these things. 6AB is the common factor. 6AB is the common factor. Okay now. Now, okay. Now I will do the 8th one now. Rest you can try yourself. 8th one now. I will do it. 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. So now again same thing we have to do. First of all, you have to find the factors of each term. You have to find factors of each term. So 3 is there here. X square means 2 times x, x into x. Y cube means 3 times. Now the next one is 10x cube y square. 10 means 5 2s are 10. Okay now. So you always remember, whenever we are writing the factors, that factors must be prime factors. Prime factors. So now x cube means x into x into x. Y square means y into y. Next one is 6x square y square z. 3 2s are 6. X square means x into x. Y square means y into y and z as it is. Now you have to find the common factors. Common factors. Now you can see 3 is here but 3 is not there. 3 is here. Forget about it. Now 2 is here, but there is no 2 here. Now you can see 1x, 1x and 1x. Okay, now another x, another x, another x. Okay, fine. Another x. Okay now. And y will be there, y will be there, y will be there. Another y will be there, another y will be there, another y will be there. So these are, other than these there will be no other factors. So the factors you can write x square, y square. If you multiply x square and y square, x square and y square are the factors of the given terms. So this is the way you have to do it. Okay now. So in each term you have to find out whichever is common. it should be common in all the terms. Then only it will be called as the common factors. Common factors. Okay now. Now the remaining example will be homework for you. Now we'll proceed to question number 2 now. Question number 2 now. So factorize the following expression. Factorize. Okay now the first one is 7x minus 42. 7x minus 42. So 7x means it can be written as 7 into x. 42 can be 7. 7 3s are 21. 21 2s are 42. Now 42. Now what are common here? 7 and 7 are common. So take out 7 here. So what is remaining here? X is remaining here. Minus sign is there. 3 2s are how much? 6. That's it. So this is how this could be done. Factorize means like this. Now I'll proceed to the third one now. 7 square plus 14a. 7 square plus 14a. Now 7 into a plus 7 into 2 into a. Okay now. 7 2s are 14 and a as it is. So 7 is common here. Write 7. A is common here. A is common. A plus what is remaining? 2. This is how this will be done. So we'll do the now third one we'll do it now. Okay, third one now. Now fourth one we'll do it now. Okay. Minus 16z plus 20z cube. So now minus 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16 into z plus this is 5 into 2 into 2, 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20 into z into z into z. Okay now. Now common. 1 2 second 2, 1 2 second 2 and z. These are the common. So what is how many? 2 into 2 is 2 into 2 into z is the common. So what is remaining here? Minus 2 into minus 2 is how much? Minus 4. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. Plus is there. 5. Okay now 5 z square. So 2, this can be written as simplify 2 to the 4 z. So minus 4 plus 5 z square. 5 z square. Now we'll do the next one now. Fourth one. Now we'll do the seventh one now directly. 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. So now again you want to find out the factors of this. 5 2s are 10 a into a plus minus 5 3s are 15 b into b plus 5 into 2 into 2 20 into c into c. Now what are the common? 1 2 3. Okay now 5 is common. Okay now so a is here, nothing is common. P is here, nothing is common. C is nothing is common. So now common. Now what is left here? 2a square. What is left here? 3b square. What is left here? 4c square. That's it. Okay, this is the way you have to do this. Now let us move to the next example, that is we'll do 8th one now. Now we'll do eighth one now. Minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ac. Or you can even write CA, there will be no change. So now minus 4 can be written as 2 into 2. A square can be written as A into A plus 4 can be written as 2 into 2. A is A, B is B. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and A into C. Now you just need to find out the common things. Now 4 is common, 4 is common, 4 is common. Right? 4 is common. Okay now. Now here A is there, here A is there, here A is there. 4A. And other than there will be no common. So minus is there, so minus A. Plus sign is there, right plus. 2 2s are 4 taken, only B left, B left. Minus sign, right minus. So what is left? Only C left. So this is how this will be done. This is how this will be done. We'll do another example. So we'll do the 10th one. Ax square y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Cxyz. Now A is A. X can be written as x into x, y can be written as y. B is B, x is x, y square means y into y. Plus C is C, x is x, y is y, and z is z. Now you need to find out the common things. So now A is here, there is no here, so take it x, okay, so x will be the common. Now y will be common, y will be common, y will be common. So other than those, there will be no commons. So what is that? A and x, so that is ax. Plus will be there, plus b and y, by. What is that? Plus sign, c and z, cz. So this is all. So this is how the examples will be done. Now we'll move to the third example now. Okay, we'll do the remaining in the next class. Okay now.